Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to mksenglish.com. We are here to help you learn English step by step. I'm Mark, and today we're going to talk about you. That's right. In this episode, we'll learn how to talk about ourselves in English. Let's go. In English, when we talk about someone, we say you. But when we answer, we say I. Let's listen to some examples. What's your name? My name is Mark. Say it with me. Listen and repeat. What's your name? My name is... Okay, now let's look at example 2. Where are you from? I'm from America. Again, let's say it. Where are you from? I'm from... Good job. Example 3. What do you do? I'm an English teacher. Let's say it. What do you do? I'm a... Good work. Let's try one more. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Again, listen and repeat. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Well done. So, quick review. Remember, use you to ask. Use I to answer. What's your name? My name is. Where are you from? I am from. Simple, right? Okay, practice time. Now, I'll ask the questions. You try to answer at home. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Great! I hope you answered out loud. Okay, guys, homework time. Before the next episode, I'd like you to write 4 sentences about yourself. My name is. I am from. I am a. I like. You can send your answers to me on Instagram or comment on my YouTube videos or go to mksenglish.com. That's it for today's Easy English Talk lesson. Now, you can ask and answer simple questions about yourself in English. Awesome work. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and leave a review if you enjoyed today's lessons. Be sure to check out the full lessons at mksenglish.com for more vocabulary, quizzes, worksheets, and practice tests. So I'm Mark, and I'll see you next time at mksenglish.com. Take care and keep learning.